Hey everyone, I'm Kenny Brain and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. Today we are taking things outdoors and reimagining the backyard, not just as a yard, but as Dad's ultimate outdoor retreat. And joining me today, we have Mr. Steven Biggs.
Hey Kenny, thanks for having me.
Oh, thanks for being here. Please, Steven, tell me about this backyard. It is beautiful.
It's my oasis. This space is all about hanging out and being with friends and family. Around us here, we have a fire pit area. I have a pond and an eating area over there, and there's areas for growing veg, for growing flowers. And we spend a lot of time with family and friends. It's just what we want to do is be outside, be together.
I love it, but please, tell me about the foundation here.
It all starts with a good mow.
All right, Steven, we're in another part of your backyard here, and it's clear that your beautiful lawn is front and center. So please talk to me about this piece of equipment.
This fresh mow was achieved courtesy of the Worx 20-volt Landroid Vision robotic mower. This piece of equipment has a self-learning neural network that studies your yard and improves its mowing over time.
Best of all, it avoids obstacles like people and toys and pets.
Sounds pretty cool to me.
And the best part is that Dad doesn't need to lift a finger.
Sounds like Dad can just sit back, relax, and kick his feet up.
Exactly. And over here we have some long grass and weeds that we'll tackle with the Worx 20-volt brushless adjustable 13 to 15-inch cordless string trimmer.
And the string trimmer really makes such a difference. I feel like it's the finishing touches that makes the difference, right?
Makes all the difference. And what's great about this one is it has a variable speed trigger, brushless motor, easy load head, and bump feeding.
And these are all qualities that a pro in lawn care would look for.
Exactly.
Tell me about the Worx 20-volt leaf jet blower. It's so lightweight.
So lightweight, and it has an adjustable nozzle that allows you to select between whether you want more speed or more volume. Lastly, just a couple of expert cuts from the Worx Nitro 20-volt brushless 5-inch pruning saw. It's a compact design and it's user-friendly.
Definitely not as intimidating as a rear and top handle chainsaw. I could easily operate that with one hand.
Yeah, way less intimidating and perfect for cutting campfire wood, or for my fire pit, or if you're cutting hunting trails, or even if you have a big property with a lot of trees.
Absolutely. I think we're summer ready, Steven.
I couldn't agree more.
And everything was powered by a flexible battery platform.
With no fuss and results like a pro.
And there you have it. We have a backyard that is elevated, thoughtful, and absolutely Father's Day ready. We will see you right here next time on Home Network's DIY Studio. Presented in part by Worx PowerShare, expandable power.